Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have you all here and so excited to be here. So welcome to week 3. We're almost halfway through the course. Really excited. So this week we're going to get into a study called semiotics, which is the study of signs. We're also going to talk about iconography in a little bit of detail and just how we communicate visually through symbols, signs, icons, and how those kind of differ and how the different relationships work with each one of those concepts. That's what we're going to focus on and just kind of finish off perceptual communication before we move into technical, which will be next week. And we'll talk a lot about like usability and a lot of different elements and actually move on to another response type. So that'll be awesome. But yeah, we're going to talk about semiotics, how they play a part with perceptual communication, emotions, visual communication, and how everything kind of ties apart with signs and symbols. That's what we're going to be working on this week. So yeah, a lot of good stuff. So let's get into it. So semiotics as a whole, or semiology, is the study of signs and symbols and how they're interpreted and how we decipher our world through thoughts and actions, which is governed by messages rooted in cultural and contextual understanding. We learn these signs from a young age and from different codes that we pick up as we grow older. And this understanding and the reactions we have to such signs, it becomes unconscious. We understand things as we see, and it's something that we talked about last week where it's just kind of inherently picked up through those culture codes where you're just learning as you're going and you're not really questioning if it's right or wrong. You're just, this is how it's kind of going on, and this is how signs work, how this works, and how these things and these behaviors matter, and that's how it kind of ties apart with everything. So yeah, and then we're going to get in further how those relationships play with signs and semiotics. We're also going to talk about semiotics as a whole and the theory from the beginning. We're also going to talk about how symbols and icons are utilized. We're going to talk a lot about the importance of signs and their development, and also logos and different types of logos and how they're going to really affect you moving further down. So yeah, we're going to talk a lot about that. Cool stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So it's going to be really great. Lecture is still same time as always, 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. Lecture link is posted. Your rubrics have been posted as well. Also take a look at your assignments as best as possible. Other than that, that's all I got. So looking forward for everybody at lecture. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Looking forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday. Keep an eye out for everything. And keep in mind that initial posts are due on Tuesday. Reply post Saturday. And then your assignments, as always, on Sunday. All right, cool. Hope everybody has a great week. Looking forward to the lecture. And see everybody there. All right, have a good one, everybody. Bye.